Hello. Hi. First of all, this is what I want you to do. I want you to read this chapter all the way through. There's a few words maybe at the edge that you may not be able to exactly see really perfectly well on one page, but don't worry about it. I think you can handle that. Otherwise, it's good. Read through all of these side ones here. These have to do with your notes that I gave you, that you put on your index cards, that assignment that you need to make sure you finish. And then at the very end, I accidentally put two of these pages on of the same one, but no big deal. So what I'd like you to do after you read through there, take a piece of paper, notebook piece of paper, write down number one, answer this question. What is the difference between an abiotic factor and a biotic factor? Give at least 5 examples of each. Do that on a notebook piece of paper. Second, what is the difference between a population and a community? Those are in our notes. So again, and a difference between a community and an ecosystem. Make sure that is done. And then number 3, could oxygen in the atmosphere be considered an abiotic factor? Why or why not? What about carbon dioxide? Okay, so make sure that you are answering all these 3 here. And that would be it for today. Take a picture of it after you are finished. And that is your assignment for Monday. Thank you. Get your other work done.